And here we have another Japanese rose by Takunori Kimura of Paranoie Rosa Orientis. And this one is named the Celestial. It is an off-white gray with a very little touch of lilac or blue. Or is it just off-white? It's really hard to tell. And again, I'm sorry that they are not so happy to be here in this exhibition room and in these conditions without sun. But despite that, the beauty is still preserved, and you can see how cute they are. And all these lovely frilly petals. And the Celestial also has fragrance, which is really nice. And it is very resistant to disease. So even beginners can grow this one, which is so nice. How stunning this one is. And the Celestial actually has really wonderful fragrance, and it's also strong against diseases, so even beginners can grow this rose. And the shape and color are so magical. That's why they chose the name Celestial, like heavenly.